Hello guys, welcome on this reading. How are you? Okay, so we are gonna find your partner's current energy and feelings and what they are thinking. Okay, and if they are gonna take any next actions, we are gonna find out in this reading. Okay, this reading is not gender specific. This is only a general reading, so only take what resonates. Leave other things for the rest of the people. Okay, and yeah, so whenever you're here, this reading is gonna be timeless, so it will resonate with you at that particular time. Moreover, this is not a gender specific, so males and females does not matter. Okay, take it how it resonates. All right. Moreover, guys, there is like so many things before we start the reading I wanna say to you. Okay, so there has been a lot of people who has been commenting on my video, so I am saying thank you a lot, all of you, because I do not personally comment on any of the comments. Okay, I do not reply to your comments, so thank you, and I do not find have any other way to say thank you to you guys. Okay, you write really good comments. You tell me what you find good. You tell me what what is more likable to you. So thank you for all of that. Okay, guys, in case anyone who wants to take a personal reading, contact me through WhatsApp. The number you can find in the details below, okay, in the description box, and there is no other way. So you can also DM me on Instagram. I go with the same name on Instagram also. Okay, right. Yeah, so there is one more thing. Energy keeps changing every single day. So yeah, this is something that I wanted to come and tell you. Even if you take a personal reading, sometimes energy keeps changing every single day. So if there is so much going on right now, you think about taking, some people, yeah, go with the readings every single day. So some people do take readings, 2 days consecutively, 3 days consecutively. So yeah, energy changes. Okay, that's what I'm trying to help you with here, that focus on whatever is required and leave everything else for other people. Okay, let's just start your reading. Thank you, God. Thank you for bringing this reading to me and to my collective. Let's find out what my collective's partner is thinking today. Okay. What your partner's current feelings are. Okay. Think about your partner. Take a deep breath. Think about your partner. What is your partner thinking right now? What are their current feelings? Okay. We have 3 cards and 4 cards. Okay. We have 5 cards and we have Ace of Wands at the bottom of the deck. Right. So the first card that I received here is 10 of Swords, which is betrayal energy. Okay, then we have the Hangman, then we have the Justice card, the Magician, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, guys, in case you're here, you need to know that there are a lot of things that you're expecting, a lot of things that you need to expect in the coming time, and there is a double 4 energy right now. Okay, more like things are happening at a bigger level in your life. It is coming as major arcanas for you. Okay, with the 6 cards, 4 cards are major arcanas, which means things could be happening from all the 4 directions, and this is also telling me that things are happening at all the 4 directions. Okay, all directions are being used and major changes are going to happen in your life. Maybe this was a big thing for you. Okay, that 10 of Swords is a big thing. So your partner is thinking right now that what they're thinking, like they have this current feelings with the betrayal energy. Okay, they could have faced a lot of endings, right? They could have faced a lot of endings, a lot of people leaving them, or maybe they leaving other people. Maybe your partner's eyes are open now, okay? Open to the truth, something like that, okay? Ace of Wands is your partner is thinking about a new thing happening, new career, new beginning, something like that, okay? Yeah, it could actually mean career, okay? It could actually mean like they want to have a new beginning in marriage, okay? They want to have a new beginning in relationship also. So this is Hanged Man. Your partner is waiting. With you, I feel like your partner feels betrayed a lot. With I don't know why, but this part your partner feels like you betrayed them with the 10 of swords. Now, some people will think that's your energy, but no, this is your partner's energy. Your partner is feeling very much betrayed. Plus, this was the very first card. This is your partner's energy. Okay, they are feeling betrayed with this, with your relationship and with other people also, and they're waiting for you. Okay, they're waiting for you. They are letting a lot of things happen on its own time, and they're literally waiting. Like, when will it happen? There is a Justice card. Someone could be Libra here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy is here. Okay, we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy here. Plus, we have the Magician card. So, covering all the signs in this particular reading, the Magician is here. Your partner could be, going through a divorce right now. Your partner could be, yeah, this card is in the middle. You actually want to get the third party removed from this particular relationship. So any of you who is facing third party, yes, this person literally wants to have a divorce with that person, okay? With the Justice card, the first thing came with this is divorce, okay? Then this is why is this Magician here? So yes, your partner wants to have this new beginning with you with the Ace of Swords. What about this Magician who is the Judgment? Wow, look at that. All of these are major arcanas. The Hermit and the Judgment. Yeah, Justice and Magician together, this is 111 energy. With Wheel of Fortune, this is 1111 energy. Okay, so there is double one two times. Okay, then we have the Hermit and the Judgment in here. Virgo and Libra again. Okay, this person, your person, has gone inside of them. Okay, this is the Hanged Man. They have been working on themselves. They have been, a lot of working on themselves. Lot of working on themselves. Okay, lot of working on themselves. So your person is, doing some kind of self analysis, going within and finding what's going on, what is happening. I feel like your partner is manifesting about you, going to the future. So your partner is manifesting you for their future. This is why there is something about the divorce that is happening. Lot of your partner is in a lot of weight. Maybe the third party also have done something about this particular situation, why your partner feels betrayed. Look at that. So your partner feels very much betrayed again and again. Ace of Cups is here. Ace of Wands was here. Then we have Seven of Pentacles here. And we have Two of Pentacles in here, okay? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. And we have Virgo energy, I already told you, right? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also here. This person has a lot of weight in it, okay? They have been, they have been struggling to, let you and their spouse be there. Like, this person was trying to go with two relationships at one single time. Okay, there's Two of Pentacles. They don't know what to do. Okay, now I feel like your partner has been waiting a long time. Seven of Pentacles, Hanged Man, waiting, a lot of waiting. I feel like you cut your person off. You want answers from your person. Hermit. You know what? Your partner has some kind of, feeling that they want to detach. Your partner feels like detaching. Your partner feels like there's a lot and they need to go back to themselves, okay? But they are looking forward to be with you. They're looking forward to be with you with the Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands. Yeah, in case you are watching this yeah, so you are watching this reading, but I'm focusing on, in case you're watching this reading and thinking about where your partner wants to start. Yes, they want to start with you, okay? This is coming for you. 10 of Cups is here. 9 of Pentacles is here. Right, right. So, okay. I'm gonna take these cards. With the bottom is King of Coins. Your partner is more like not into relationships right now. They are being detached a lot. Your partner is being detached a lot. They are not like, I don't want to think about family. I don't want to think about other people. I don't want to think, but this is a lot to handle. So your partner is feeling like this is a lot to handle, okay? This is 10 of Cups. They really want to be happy. They want to be happy, okay? We have Queen of Wands. I feel like, let's see, uh, this is 9 of Pentacles here. 6 of Cups is here. 7 of Wands is here. This person, I feel like they're very nervous about something. This is 12-12 energy. They're very nervous about something. I feel like something went wrong in this person's life, and now when I feel like everything is coming together, okay? So you're in your person's life, everything is coming together after a lot of time, but they can't handle that. They are feeling very nervous. They are feeling like, I can handle this. So they're feeling like, I can take this, I can handle this, let it move, let it go. So something in your person's life is ending and something new is starting, which they are focusing on, like what new is starting, because there has been a lot of melodrama that has been there in your person's life, okay? They feel like they can get married, like first of all they can be happy in their life, okay? This is 10 of Cups. Also, they are waiting for this to happen with you. This is you and your partner's energy. They're waiting for you and they're waiting to get married to you, something like that. So you could be, you could be like a happily ever after. I feel like with your person, they lost a lot of things in this marriage. Whosoever your person was going with, it could be a marriage, it could be a relationship, it could be, a third party. They were, having a lot of good things happening there, but that betrayed them. So they lost all of this. They lost this material comfort, but they want to have this. But they had a lot of blessings in this relationship with a third party. This is why they couldn't be with you. Also, they had a lot of good things in their marriage, so they were focusing on being there. Plus these two cards that I received is 6 of Cups, Queen of Wands. This is your energy. They you're like a wish fulfillment for your person, okay? They think they can talk to you, they think they can handle you, they think that in case they come to you and make you realize a lot of good things that you guys have spent your time within, it can actually, you know make you realize all of that they also miss. So yeah, your person misses you a lot, with um a lot, right? So your person misses you a lot, and I feel like your person becomes a child with you. Child like person. Let's see more. Two of Wands was here. They miss you a lot. I'm telling you, Two of Wands was here. I couldn't take that card, okay? With Justice and Seven of Wands, I feel like they're going through a divorce right now, okay? Um, yes, they are going through a divorce right now. Look at that. And this divorce will happen only for you, okay? So that they can come to you. This is Queen of Wands. Even if you have other things in mind, even if you think that you can be with someone else and you're looking forward to someone else's energy, I feel like this person is still doing all of this so that they can get reunited with you, okay? This is Six of Wands in here. They want to make it public, yeah. A lot of this rest rest just exactly where you guys could find each other. The Page of Swords. The Page of Swords. Yeah, the third party knows about you, okay? Third party in their, maternal family or paternal family knows about you. So they have been telling your person that you're just for some time, you're just for a couple of time, and but you're the Queen of Coins, right? You're the Queen of Coins. I feel like third party could have been telling your person so many things so that they can let you go, so that they can make you forget. But there has been a talk about you and your person in your person's family. There has been a talk about you and your person around, like, around a lot of people conversations around the town. I wanted to say that, but like, town is a very big thing, but a lot of people know about you, okay? A lot of people know about you and your person, so your person knows that a lot of people are talking about you and them, right? So there is a communication that other people are having about you too, okay? So this could be a third party thing, this could be a extramarital thing, this could be something to do with that. But now I feel like your person is very much vocal about you to their family, about you to their spouse, about you to getting together, okay? They are coming towards you, okay? And with this particular Queen of Coins, this is your energy also, this is the third party's energy also. So I am receiving first this was your energy, and then suddenly there was this third party energy. I feel like with the divorce, some like divorce is very much happening here, okay? Very much happening with the Justice and the Seven of Wands here. Divorce is very much in place here, okay? With the Ten of Swords, yeah. So somebody cheated, and your person feels cheated with the third party. I don't know. There is a lot of swords with the third party. So there has been betrayals. There has been, look at that, knight cards, proposals, and coming to you with the energy. So this is more like coming, right? So as this Knight of Cups and Knight of Wands is here, Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands is also here, which is telling me that yes, your person is coming, okay? Yeah, so Queen of Coins, this is your energy, okay? This is your energy. You're very stable, you're very caring, you're very connected to the divine. And we have the Moon. As soon as I saw the Moon, this is you could be having anxieties in these days. You could be feeling like not able to sleep, and you could be having some kind of pains. I feel like your person is writing towards you, okay? They're writing letters for you. I mean, like, not the love letters, but like feelings wise, okay? Your person is writing feelings somewhere, okay? Your person is writing feelings somewhere, okay? They are like, they could visit you, right? So they could visit you. I received the Six of Cups. They could literally visit you. Okay, we'll take one card. Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles and Queen of Coins. Eight of Coins is here. Yeah, okay. They feel like it's you. I told you again and again, you are like this um, dream come true, wish come true for your person, right? Again and again, this person cannot take you off of their mind even for some time. It's more like it's fated relationship. Your person has to come to you, that's fated, okay? Four of Swords. Yeah, they are waiting for the right time. I'm telling you, your person has been waiting for the right time. Seven of Pentacles and the Hanged Man is here. And then the Four of Swords is here. So I feel like this is your energy, okay? Um, See, this is 10 of Swords is here and 9 of Swords is here. So 10 of Swords is your person's energy, which they are feeling in betrayed with the third party and whatever is happening in their life. And literally they feel betrayed over you too, with you too. But this is more like your person has been giving their energy to other people. They're they're feeding to the demons, right? So if you had a spiritual awakening, if you had this particular enlightening path that you have been walking on, your person um, actually chose a third party. I told you, because they had a proper marriage. There could be children in their marriage, but you are just getting the glimpse of it, that your person is not really fine in these days. And but for you, I have received Nine of Swords and Four of Swords, which is like you are in the resting energy. You're going across, you're moving forward with the rest, with a proper rest. And it's your person's time um to understand a lot of things. Not every single time you need to understand and make them understand, which is completely not true, okay? Which is completely something they won't understand till you keep doing everything. So this time you are in the rest. This time you might feel restless in the night sometimes, but yeah, this is your energy too. Like, you are handling it, but your person thinks that yes, I can handle it. I can handle it. Okay. So yeah, they are coming to you with a good like with an energy that's committing, okay? With an energy that they feel like, I feel like, in case your person was in ego earlier, this is not the time that they will feel egoist about now, okay? They will be changed, they have changed, they will be changing. And this time they are going to give you the commitment, because all this time that you have been separate from your person, this person has thought about you day in and day out, okay? um there could be one more reason about this, that one more thing that is in all of this, they are letting this third party go. So for a lot of you, there is a third party, that universe is removing. Plus that we have received a lot of major arcana cards. Third party is gonna be removed. Let's see some final cards, okay? Some cards and final cards, please. Right, Two of Swords is here. Nine of Wands is here. Final cards, please. Last card, please. One card. That's not the one card. Okay. I'll take one card, which is this one. The Devil, okay. Oh my God. Guys, I do. You know, as a tarot card reader, I keep taking cards so that whatever I'm saying, you know, comes out having some kind of clarity. Okay, and as soon as I have received these three cards, something that I wanted to say is here. Let me show you why this card gave me all the clarity. Okay, a lot of you, when I talk to you guys, okay, so this is what I was telling you. You know what, a lot of people have so much confusion when they talk to me. Okay, when they get their tarot card readings, they keep asking the same question. Okay, so let's say they had asked me a yes or a no question, I said no. Okay, the client, you know, the person who is taking the reading, this person keeps, so a lot of people do this. Don't take this personally if you have taken a reading. I'm just saying this. Okay, a lot of people keep asking the same questions because they cannot take no for that particular answer. Okay, and me, because I am doing the reading and I literally want to give you guys the right answers. You know, a lot of people would not understand that this is something that I do every day. This is something that I have done for last 3 years. Okay, and I am actually trusting my cards. So in case you're someone who do not trust cards, who do not trust me, please don't book a reading with me, because whatever I tell you, I do it with, with my intuition. I do it with praying. I do it with connecting with these cards. So my cards have been prayed upon in the name of God so many times. Okay, and I don't keep account. Okay, so I do this every day. So all of my decks are, I pray before doing this. So when I received these cards, I just had this in my mind, and I'm telling you, this comes with the clarity. I did not even ask for this clarity. You guys, a lot of you guys have been separated for a very long time. Now you have stopped believing that this would happen. Let me show you what I received. This is Two of Swords. This is nine of Wands, which is telling me that you and your person are very much separate. You and your person thinks that you guys cannot go together. You guys cannot be together. You guys cannot move further together. And I received the Devil card, okay, which is telling me what? That this is exactly on this Six of Wands, right? See, I'm a reader. I know what kind of energy is right or wrong, okay? And after seeing these cards, this gave me a complete clarity that there has been outside forces or external forces apart from you and your person, external forces that has hold on you and your person both. So there is some kind of a restriction, there is some kind of outside forces that are stopping you to meet. So you have feeling that you can't be together. You have a feeling that you and your person have boundaries. And look at that, this is the Devil. Okay, how would someone react to this? How would someone react to this? You guys are not supposed to be together. No, that's not true. Why? Because the outside forces are telling you this. There is Five of Wands here. This not true. Okay, when you think that you and your person are not supposed to be together, this is not true. Not true at all. You and your person are supposed to be together, but these three stoppages, blockages are there. The confusion is there. Okay, how to move forward is there. Restrictions are there, boundaries are there, and then this is the biggest Devil thing. you and your person still just can't talk to each other. But this is happening. Why? Because there are a lot of external factors that are affecting your situation. So in case you have stopped, focusing on your person at all, in case you have stopped thinking about your person and you want to move on, okay, you can. But this is destined. This relationship, it is destined, not just by divine, but you and your person both want to be in this. Okay, so yeah, this was my thing to let you know what came in today's reading. But definitely I have to tell you this, a lot of people, so let me just come clean in here. Okay, a lot of people keep asking me the same question, and because I am doing the reading, I tell them, I take one more card so that I can tell them that what I'm telling is true. Okay, what I'm telling is what I know, what I see in my cards. But because, see, I don't say anything to anyone. Okay, I don't even judge other people, but they have been coming from some confusions already in their life. Okay, so they keep asking the same questions, and I tell them, no, this is something with a yes or a no, this is gonna happen or not gonna happen. But when people keep asking me the same questions, I still have this, good factor, or maybe you just say it's just a clarity card. When I take that, it gives me all the clarity that what I'm saying is right. Okay, I have no ego about it. This is my work. I started to do readings just with understanding the tarot cards. Okay, later people started to take readings from me. I did not even start to post on social media. So this is what I do. Okay, in case you have your faith, only then take a personal reading. In case you don't have faith, don't even watch these general readings also. Okay, in case you have faith, only go with that. Okay, so yeah, my blessings to all of you. Okay, my warm regards to all of you. Okay, any of you who wants to get your personal readings done, book it through WhatsApp. Find the number in the details below. I close your reading here. Thank you for coming here. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press that notification bell icon. Okay, I'll see you in next reading. Till then, you keep smiling.